Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the ESPN Fantasy Football app. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna log into the Fantasy Football app. And after that, in here, you're gonna look for the football. You're gonna press on the football right here. And basically, there are multiple things that you need to know. First of all, how to join a public league. And basically, it's gonna be right here. But I'm already joined. Basically, the way is, it's just gonna press on join. After that, you're gonna choose the type of league that you wanted to join, and then you press on join a league. After that, when you join a league, you're gonna see the teams right here. You're gonna press on my team, and you're gonna see all the players right here, where you can manage your team and also check out your players and the rosters that you have right there. And also, when you press on league, there are some basic settings that you can manage right here. And basically, you can look at the scoring boards, your team and the other teams, how's the league going, and also the standings and the power ranks and the schedule, and also the waiver orders. Down there, it's the draft recap, where you can check on the draft and what was going on with the draft and everything. And for the second thing you will need to know is how to create a league. You basically go here and press on create, and you choose the name of the league that you wanted to create, choose the league size, and then you press on create league. And from this link right here, if you have a friend that they wanted to join your league, you can basically send them this link. You can copy the link. But if you missed that link at first, you can basically log in the league that you've created, and you press on my team. After that, you go here to leagues, and basically in here you can check in the roster and the matchup, and also the players that are available for this roster. And then you press on league, and in here also you're gonna see all the schedules, the playoff bracket, and the waiver orders. But everything will be set when the teams are full, so you basically wait until the teams are available. And down here, there's a new option that you did not have when you join a league, which is the rules of the league and the basic settings that you have right here. And you basically have the basic settings, which is editing the name and the size, and also deleting a team. And you have the draft settings as well. You can check the draft settings that you want, and also the scoring settings. And here you can see all the scoring points and everything, and the managers, if you wanted to add a new manager with you, and that will be fine. And finally is the invite link. If you missed this link at first, you can come here and copy it again, and you'll be all set. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.